Now we have 6,000 workers worked at a construction site. At the end of first year, 20% of the workers left. At the end of second year, 5% of the workers at that time were fired. At the end of third year, 15% more workers were hired to complete the task in time. How many workers worked at the site during the fourth year? Initially, for the first year, we have 6,000 workers. At the end of first year, that means for the second year, 20% of the workers left, so the number decreased. At the end of second year, that means for the third year, the number again decreased by 5%. At the end of third year, that means for the fourth year, 15% more workers were hired, so the number increases for the fourth year. We have to find out how many workers worked in this construction site during the fourth year. So how do we go about this now? We have a formula for depreciation which says V is equal to V naught into 1 minus R1 by 100 into 1 minus R2 by 100. We have different rates of depreciation for consecutive years, am I right? For the first year, the number decreases by 20%. For the second year, the number decreases by 5%. So we have R1 equal to 20, R2 equal to 5. What happens in the third year? In the third year, the number increases by 15%. So we add another term here which says 1 plus R3 by 100. We have, why did we write plus here? Because the number increases. In the third year, there is growth. So for the first year, there is depreciation by 20%. Second year, depreciation by 5%. Third year, growth by 15%. Right? So in this question, we have V naught equal to 6,000, R1 equal to 20%, R2 equal to 5%, R3 equal to 15%. Now we substitute all these values in this equation. We get V equal to 6,000 into 1 minus 20 by 100 into 1 minus 5 by 100 into 1 plus 15 by 100. So the values for this come out to be equal to 6,000 into, we have 4 by 5 into, we have 19 by 20 and we have 23 by 20. Now when we solve this, we will get a value equal to workers equal to 5244. So you guys do the calculation yourself and you will find out that the workers working during the fourth year were 5,244.